Oh my God. Ouch. Hey! For this Tinubu regime, they carry that thing.
It be like say them they use us play games, hunger games. I dey fear, I no want mention names. You wey wan use 1.5 billion, build borehole wey be 5 million. You wey dey chop our money, oh, private jet with the money, oh.